Hey, oh, wait. This is a mask. I don't want the audio to be messed up. What's up? This is just a channel update, making sure that I stick to my promise of, wait, I gotta make sure that, there we go. Making sure I stick to my promise of posting every day. I made that promise today, and I'm gonna keep up with it. So, this is a quick update on, I gotta switch this. Yeah, so this is my manual 528i. That's my automatic one right there. They're chilling, they're having a good time. The most important thing with this now, and I don't see a lot of videos on this, so I guess this is why I'm making my video. I put an M50 intake here on my M52tu, so technical update, dual vanos. If you're a BMW guy, you understand what I'm saying. If you're not a BMW guy, my bad. Just a BMW inline 6 that's not an M motor that came in 3 series and 5 series with dual vanos. The biggest thing when you put an M50 intake on there, and it's good because you could see under there now, is I had to like put some studs in the block. Not some studs, but like some little self-tapping like things. I don't know, but like I had to block off some oil channels that came off the original intake manifold that was part of the CCV valve, which recirculated oil into the intake manifold, which just didn't make sense to me. That was just, I mean, I'm not a German engineer, so you could cut my ass if you want, but I'm just trying to make this simple. Here you could see some of the getification. I had to modify, because this is like a little wiring like setup thing here. So I had to modify, and I said I just cut off the top so I could bring this wire up to the throttle body. This I'm actually quite proud of. You can see I used the original throttle bracket and the CCV. Nah, not the CCV, the idle control valve, that thing right there. The idle control valve bracket, bolted it to one of the existing holes on the manifold. Had a friend modify the throttle so it stays in place. And I'm using the original throttle body. Hopefully, like, this doesn't put too much stress on the wires here and cause any, like, weird issues. But for now, we're working good. Yeah. A lot of zip ties, yep. A lot of zip ties. Anywho, my biggest issue right now is I literally only have one O2 sensor. Oh yeah, I put new exhaust manifolds on here, and when I got them, they were like stainless steel, but like they're turning into this purple color, and it's kind of fire. I'm not even gonna lie, like pretty fire. I gotta put the heat shielding back on over here, I guess, but I'm just making sure all the issues are sorted out. I'm getting oil like literally pouring out of my valve cover, so I ordered a new one. Yeah, this is from me spilling some oil trying to refill it, because it just keeps leaking oil somewhere and burning, and I smell it and it sucks. Like definitely back here, it's a real problem. Like there's definitely some leaks going on. Hopefully I'm not messing up the audio. But if you remember my last update, she was in pieces in my backyard, and now she's up and running. Like literally, I could turn her on, move. And I'm glad I got the M50 intake on there, but I'm still solving some like weird issues I'm having that I can't even. Oh, okay, that's just oil. I got scared. I thought it was leaking from the fuel rail again. Long story. yeah, I just want to get this up and running. You know what I mean? Like, look at this little bracket I made to extend the, to give me just enough clearance. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah, but look, little tiny little modifications I could do in my backyard with very limited experience. And everything's very temporary for right now, so I'm working with what I got. But I'm glad I could make an update video. I'm glad I could start this promise. Let's see how long I can keep it up. Have a good day.